How does a signing service actually find a notary to hire? And the answer is, it is through something called a notary public database, which is free to the notary. So what is a database? It is just literally a list of notaries. So how it works is super simple. A notary creates free profiles on Notary Public Database. So let's go over these. Signing Order is one of the biggest databases. Notary Rotary, SnapDocs, Notary Dash, Notary Resume, and Notary Cafe. So if you see the two asterisks by signingagent.com for your education, that is a database, but you only get entry into signingagent.com if and when you become NNA certified. When you become NNA certified, you get automatic listing into signingagent.com. Now I want you to look at the three other ones. So Sign with Jot, BankServe, and Rocket Close are technically signing services, but they are signing services with the biggest title companies in America. So they act like a notary database. Sign with Jot is First American, their signing service, which might as well be a signing agent database because you got to sign up directly with it. BankServe is Fidelity's signing service. It might as well be a database because Fidelity escrow officers only use BankServe when they need a notary. And then Rocket Close is actually what used to be called Quicken, which actually is Amrock, which is now Title Source. So it's actually Title Source's signing service, which might as well be called a database. So technically they're a signing service, but it might as well act like a database. It's a database for those specific title companies. So once you sign up for the databases, now the signing services head to these databases whenever they need a notary, and that's where they find notaries across America.